Right then people, this is the morning after the night before. Just whacking this at the front of the vid, because like a plum, I bought a load of backup chargers for my phone, but left the lead in my car. So I've missed out quite a bit of footage, obviously. Cracking night though, good to see Johnny out and about again. First proper winter camp I think he's done. Went to a spot we'd never been to before. And yeah, have a look at the vid. But as I say, it's slim pickings. What, bobblehead?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year and all that what? Got myself a new outlook. Off on a quick overnight with Johnny to a place we've never been before. We know we've never been there because we don't know where we're going. I would do the walking in lot, but some muppet just broke his tripod. Anyway. Yeah. Well, the signs are looking quite promising, aren't they, John?
Quite nice little wood, this one.
We'll explore for a bit and then set up, prepare the wood for the fire, get nice and cosy,
Have a nap.
Maybe even a little cuddle, eh?
Yeah, I'm up for a cuddle. Winter and we're cold.
We've both packed heavy. I think we might have overdone it.
As you can see by the heavy breathing.
Oh, look at that. Say no one ever comes down here. Dog walker. Oosh. But, as you can see, people are coming here. Ooh. Yeah. You can sleep there if you like, mate, if you cut your legs off. Better go, we're going to get savaged.
Yeah, I know.
Quick look at the setup. So how you keep it in there, John? 10th Wonder, Super Light Tarp and the green Hornet. Behind him you have me in the monstrosity underquilt with me Hennessy Explorer Expedition, whatever it bleeding is. But the creme de la creme. No expense spent. Lounging hammock. Got the old stocking. The old fishnet. And I have to say, it's surprisingly comfy. I'm just going to go start gathering some wood now. We get a fire on, chill out, get the stew on, and a brew. You up for a brew or do you want a beer, John?
Brew.
Brew time. Quite a good little setup that, John, isn't it?
Lovely, isn't it?
I'll tell you what, mate. We never get any footage of us actually chatting. So how about we keep it light? Why don't you tell all the viewers what you were telling me about the militant brand of feminism that's coming through at the moment?
Oh yeah, how long have you got?
Especially the Russian ones. They're coming. Oh. Little fire starting kit, that, isn't it?
And that, my friend, is how it's done in Germany, yeah?
Oh, no. I stepped over it and called it on my boot. My boot. Your boot. Das Boot. From there,
It's even blowing away from us.
yeah, it won't go for long. And that's cool. We've even got the oxygenation chamber right there.
What we have here is a great alignment of the wood to get oxygenation underneath to burn quicker.
Chill do never. Ain't much cop without a flash, is it? Meat and onions is on the sizzle. Veggies prepared, not that you can see. Thank you very much, Jonathan. Green beans to go in, spuds there. Big bottle of port, water and stock. Have it. Fire's been a proper pig to get going, but we're there now. Stew's on, smells delicious. You having a good one, John?
Yeah.
Finished touching yourself?
Not yet. Can you just give me 5 or?
No worries. Do you need some more Vass?
I've got another tub, so I'm right.
Do you want me to come over and spit on it for you?
Spit on my butt. Oh, shit.
Ain't gonna lie to you. It don't suck being here at the minute, does it?
It's fucking amazing. This is amazing.
I'll get the old stew popped open, we'll have a whiff. I'll let Johnny tell you how it smells, because obviously, look at that schnoz, he's far more qualified than me.
That's why I'm closest.
You've got to say, mate, that ain't looking bad, is it?
Told ya, my juices are flowing.
Oh, it's hot on it. Yes, man. Oh, my fingers. Right, gloves going on. Glove on. Sticking it up on it there. Simmer for a bit and then give it a stir. It's a verdict, mate.
Hot. Oh, it's lovely. What more can you ask for, eh?
Happy days. Enjoy, mate. Well, gotta say, that scrange just about done me in. What about you, mate? Where you gone?
5-star. Proper top grub.
I'm stuffed. Bleeding stuffed. Anyway, we've got beers to drink and crap, haven't we?
Talk crap.
Yeah, talk crap.
Beers to drink and
Talk crap. Really can't complain, can you? Fire on the go. Was a beer in hand till I knocked it over. Johnny cracking around like Bigfoot because he's got to talk to his lass. Oh, just what the doctor ordered to shake off all the stress of Crimbo. I've got to get me another beer. Sit here massaging my portly frame because I've eaten too much. Another good stew though. Anyway, if anything exciting happens, you know what I'll do. How's easy that for you, mate?
Yeah.
How easy was that for you?
lovely.
And there.
So I've learned the left, the right.
You asked, bud.
Nice to be knowledgeable. I don't come out here for fun, I come out here for education.
Good luck with that. Come on then, Johnny. I'll never get us chatting. Let's keep it light. What's your view on immigration?
Get a bit.
Cushy. Tell you what, that ain't actually bad. Low light filming that. Just talking rubbish and chilling out. It was a really chilled night. Lovely little spot. Testing out my helium pillow tonight from Quechua, and it is a revelation. Really comfy. It's got like a soft padded bit over the top of the inflatable pillow. Really comfy. First time I've had my Arctic bag out in a while, and I am as snug as a bug. Just waiting for Johnny to start snoring. Other than that, that's anything that's anything drastic happens, I'll be seeing you in the morning. Not a lot of filming done tonight because I've brought a load of chargers with me, but no lead, because I'm clever. Right, all done. Good night, John.
Yeah, very good night.
Happy days. Clear, had the dung out, no rubbish left. Don't forget me lantern. Yeah, best night's sleep I've had in ages, that, mate. How'd you keep it?
Yeah, on and off for me, but kept awake by your snoring most of the night.
Good, glad to hear it. Did you have a little visitor, as you kept saying?
Yeah, little mouse, I reckon. It was scratching about underneath me.
Are you sure the old hamster hadn't escaped from your sex games the night before?
I was waiting for it to little bite my arse or
Little nibble.
little nibble. Didn't happen.
Good night, John. I enjoyed that, mate. Happy days.
Ta-ra!